Hi guys, this is Tony again. Want to give an update as we got a sound train that's about to blow in, and there's a few more trains coming. Oh, by the way, we got some bad news. 21 won't run here tonight due to mechanical issues. So they terminated in Fort Worth, Texas. But I'll be happy to get a few more trains, and then we're gonna be done for tonight. Here it comes. I like that. Also, remember, the bad news is that due to the winter storm, man, no, sorry, quick, though. Yeah. There you go. Here goes the Northbound Union Pacific Union Pacific sand train this time, and there's still a few more stuff coming. Bye bye.